Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you block and unblock someone on Kakaotalk. So at first, just go to the Kakaotalk app. Now in the Kakaotalk app, click on the bottom second option here, message icon. Now select the person that you want to block. After selecting the person, here you can see in the top middle block option, click on it. Now click on block messages, hide my profile. Click on block. Now you can just unblock him from in the top unblock option, click on it. And here you can see the person is unblocked. So guys, that's how you can block and unblock someone on Kakaotalk. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.